Here we will show you to use the lowest cost, the less machine, and also the quickest way to change the cracked glass for iPhone 6s. And first we will use to test if the LCD it is a good one or not. And use a manual LCD separator to take off the bezel frame and the cracked glass first. To put it on the hot plate for less than 1 minute, and then you will start to separate the bezel frame manually. For the four corners, you will remove later, so it will not affect you while you use the steel one to do separation. And then we will start to separate the cracked glass. Watch out the 3D touch on the backlight.
拉紧就可以了。
For the deeply cracked glass, it is better to use a tape to cover on the surface, so it will not smash like just now. Use a new way to clean the rest glue on the LCD. You can use silicone rubber to help. Cleaning the rest glue by the silicone manually, it will help you to protect the polarizer film. So after cleaning, you do not need to change a new one. 有对口吗？不要动了，白线。You can use the industrial alcohol to help to make it clean. And then we will use the new part. We call it the cold press. Front glass with Bezel frame and OCA pre-installed together. And the gold alloy mold that is special for the cold press part to do alignment. Now you can see he's peeling the protective film on the OCA film, which is pre-installed on the cold press already. And then put it over the LCD screen. So by using this kind of material, you do not need to apply the OCA film on LCD, and also the cold press for the base frame and the glass together. It will help you to avoid the frame will coming off after refurbishing. Because the glue they use for the cold press, that is different from the separate base frame you use. And take it out from the mold. And you will use a special rubber under the base frame and the part, so it will help. It will protect the base frame. It is not damaged by using the laminating machine. Okay, he is putting it in the rubber. Okay, and this is the mini laminating machine, or you can call it the all-in-one machine. This one, it has the function for the OCA vacuum lamination and also the bubble remover, and also the air compressor and the vacuum pump. It is built in as well, and only need like 5 minutes to finish the whole process for both the lamination and also bubble remover. And also you just click the start button and then wait until it is finished. You do not need to do any setup. All the settings are pre-programmed inside already. So this one, it is very convenient for the smaller repair shop. So as you can see that after this process, then the whole step is finished. So by using just this LCD separator, the manual type, and also this one, the mini laminating machine, only these 2 machines you can complete the whole process. And the cold press part, that is very convenient and popular now. And you can skip the base frame lamination step, and also no need to apply the OCA film on the LCD. And also it will help you to get rid of the frame coming off after refurbishing. Now you can hear that this machine. Okay, now after this sound, then you can hear that there is no noise while the machine is in operation. It is very silent.要不暂停一会儿？
暂停。
几分钟要？4分钟了。100秒。还是等一会儿。 the time it is over. So it just take 210 seconds. It is around 3 to 4 minutes. And then we take out, you will see that there is no bubbles. And also the frame, you can check the frame, it is very firm. Yeah, the frame is very firm. And then we will put it on the phone and see if it is good working.